Viewers, this is Samuel the Wizard Guy, and today's video we are going to look at how to insert columns within our document. So here I have some text, I have some 2 paragraphs, so I'm going to insert in this second paragraph. I'm going to insert 2 columns in this paragraph. So first of all, you have to select, highlight, just like this. After highlighting, you go to layout. After layout, we click on columns. We can choose this columns by default, either 1, 2 columns, 3 columns, left column or right column, or we can pick more columns option. I'll go with more columns option. With more column option, we have a number of items to work on. So we can either choose any of this, or we can select the number of columns we want from this section. So I'll go with the 2 columns. If you want a line between the columns, you click on line between the columns. You can see in the preview section, we have a line between the columns. Then down here we have some measurements of the width or the spacing of the columns, so we can adjust this. Now for you to adjust this section here, you must have done what? Unchecked. You must have removed the tick on this option here which says equal column width. So you remove a tick like that, then you can go ahead and what? Set your own measurements. Don't remove the measurements. When you set anything here, it affects even the spacing. If you set the spacing, it affects the width here. So you first remove a tick here, and then you do what? You do the selection later. Then down here we have apply to. Apply to, we have the whole document or selected work. So I only selected this paragraph, so I'll go with apply to selected text. Then after you click OK. So when you click OK, your text will have what you call a 2 column. So when you do that, your text will be converted to 2 column with a line between, just the way you are seeing here. So that's how you insert columns within your text.